Oh hi, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's the holiday season and we're going to be making a cookie recipe that's suitable for the holidays or any time. It's maple walnut shortbreads, kind of. It's not going to be as buttery as a shortbread, but it's going to be nice and crispy. So we started in the bowl here with a half of a stick of butter, which is a quarter of a cup. And I melted it a little bit in the microwave. We're also going to be adding, this is going to be gluten-free and vegan, by the way, in case you didn't realize that from the title. It's going to have coconut flour in it, which is going to help make it crispy, and it's a nice high fiber flour, so it's going to be good for you. So we're going to put that in. We're going to put in our brown rice flour, which is also going to give it a nice crispy texture. We don't want no limp-ass cookies. We want nice, crispy shortbread cookies. We're also going to add in a little bit of plant milk because that coconut flour really sucks up the juice, let me tell you. We've got our chopped walnuts. And don't worry about the amounts. They're all going to be in the info box below, along with a crude description of how we made this today. And the last liquid is maple syrup. That's going to be our sweetener. We're going to use half a cup of that. And we're also going to splash in some vanilla, because vanilla always pretty much makes everything better unless it's savory.
That would be kind of gross.
Yeah, it would be, but not in this case. So let's get all of our goodness out and give it a mix. This comes together very quickly.
I smell that vanilla.
I know, and the walnut, the maple.
Beautiful.
I would recommend letting it sit for a few minutes because the coconut flour needs to soak in the juice. Like Corn Kid, it's got the juice.
It's got the juice.
Yep. So I would, after you thoroughly mix this, just let it set for 5 minutes and then we'll roll out our cookies or spoon out our cookies depending on what we're going to do. Alright, we've let our dough sit for 5 minutes and it's looking pretty sweet.
Nice.
So I'm going to use my trusty old Pampered Chef scoop. I've had this thing forever. At least for 20 years.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, and it's never failed me. So I think it's a 2 tablespoons or so. I like to do, you know, a little bit muffin toppy. So I'm just going to scoop these out and then I'm going to flatten it slightly just because I don't want it to be raw in the middle when it's, you know, after it's cooked. So these are not going to spread at all. So you can put them, you know, very close. They're not going to run into each other. So you can really fill up this cookie sheet. You can get all of them on here. And this is going to go in at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes after we get them all scooped out. And let them cool in the pan. You don't want them to crumble apart, you know, because they harden up and still continue cooking after you take them out of the oven. Oh, you could also, you know, press a little bit of chopped up walnuts on the top if you wanted to be extra fancy.
We do not.
Yeah, we're just doing it like this for now, but that's an option. See you in 20 to 25 minutes. All right, there they are. They've cooled off. They've been out of the oven for about, I would say about 15-20 minutes.
And they filled up the whole house with the most amazing smell.
It smells unbelievably like Canada.
Mapley. Yes. So
this
now
is
it's
what I
time to
imagine
try.
Canada smells like when you get deep in the heart
Canadians,
of
can you
Canada.
please confirm?
Do you guys smell like maple syrup? I hope so.
Ooh, this smells delicious. Oh, yeah.
Crispy, crunchy?
Crispy on the outside, a little softer on the inside.
Okay.
That's all you could hope for.
Right?
It's giving me, like, shortbread vibes almost.
Right.
But with, like, that beautiful maple walnut flavor. Oh, these are really good.
Oh, I'm glad
Really, really good.
I love to watch you enjoy.
These would be perfect with tea.
Yes. Because of the maple syrup.
Mm-hmm.
For
Oh
some
my goodness.
reason, maple syrup always goes well with tea, paired with tea.
This is just like delightful.
Let's see what Sean thinks.
Oh!
Okay, there you have it.
What do you think?
You said good.
I just want to eat the whole plate of those.
Well, we're having lunch next. So
I know. Thank you all so much for watching.
It was quick and easy.
Super easy. So let us know if you give it a try. Show us, like, tag us in your photos if you do, or send us pictures or something because we love to see. And thank you for watching. Check us out on TikTok. What?
Oh?
Veganist Fork on TikTok?
Yes,
It's a good time.
thing.
Yeah. So thank you again so much for watching. And until next time, much love.